Hi, I'm Bob. I'm new here at Morse. Here's a behind-the-scenes preview of our latest video shoot. We want this video to showcase Morse Manufacturing, not just for our quality products, but for our exceptional employees and our ongoing commitment to excellence. As you can see, we've invested in a big way in our modernized factory with new machinery, quality improvements, a new powder coat system, and coming soon, a new website. Our team spent countless hours preparing for the shoot, which resulted in more footage than expected. We used drones and even sent a GoPro through our powder coat system. We tried to get every member of our Morse team involved. Each employee showcased their unique skill set in making and demonstrating these products. We can't wait to share the final video with you. Stay tuned.